Put on. Put on. Put on. She put on her coat and went out. Take off. Take off. Take off. He took off his t-shirt. Try on. Try on. Try on. I want to try on this jacket before I buy it. Hang up. Hang up. Hang up. She hung up her coat in the closet. Wash up. Wash up. Wash up. I'll wash up after dinner.
Dry off. Dry off. Dry off.
Can you dry off the dishes after washing them?
Put away. Put away. Put away. Don't forget to put away the dishes.
Throw away. Throw away. Throw away.
You should throw away old newspapers.
Turn on. Turn on. Turn on.
Turn on the light, please. Turn off. Turn off. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the light before you go to bed.
Plug in. Plug in. Plug in. You need to plug in the vacuum cleaner to use it. Put down. Put down. Put down. She put down the books on the table.